Hi guys, my name is Lego Gazia Lego Benki, and today let's make D13 with no legs. It's dog day. The other one, Scotland. Oh, Scotland. That one is dog day. To build it and skin anything. Like just wait. Or like this, scan. Or like this, scan stand but no legs. Or legs can build bird with bird head. Okay. You need this one now. Then one by one, you have hole like this, and the one marking bone. Put under, and the one mini big back. Put under, and the one put under. Now let's build the body. Oops, not body. It's arm. Okay, next first the one wooden and the 2x2 connect there with not like this, and put another 2x2, 1x2 like this. The one put in there, and the one put in there. Wait, yeah. And the one arm. Look, and one by one put in there, and put in there. Like you copying other one like this. Okay, next round. The legs. Next put in there. And put in there. Broken like this. Kapang 2 rounds. Next we go. Okay. Two like this. Put in there 2x1. And that one looks slim. Put in there. Wait. Okay, the one put in there, and the one put in there, and that one put in there. Wait, so hard. Wait, I got it. Bro, look at him. So hard. Wait, maybe I tie down. Okay, it's spinning around. Connect the body parts. Wait, the head can put the because it's little bit. Hey, look at this little bit where he have neck. Okay, let's build the body. Okay, let's first the legs at the head put there, and I like that, and put in there, and okay guys, you have the Lego, and to watch the catnap, how to build catnap. Is 13 catnap. Okay, bye-bye.